Hello. Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. I'm here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. I teach a weekly Tàijíquán class here. So I'm here in advance of the class to enjoy the energy, the space. I just finished a long weekend of workshops and driving, so something like 17 hours of teaching and 10, 13, probably about the same amount of driving. I would say something approximating that. And I just got in last night, and it's early in the morning now. And so today's Tàijíquán Tip is, after a fair amount of use of the body, a great workout, a long trip, something along those lines. I'm certainly feeling it being in the car so long yesterday and getting beat up so much doing workshops, physically. I'm using my Tai Chi Chuan to just sort of explore the results of the challenge to the body. I'm not really trying to fix it. I'm really just kind of surveying. Okay, I knew that was sore, but like, what's the extent of the soreness? How far does it reach? How deep does it go? What exactly is it that's sore instead of just my back? And it doesn't have to be anatomically accurate. I'm really just using my form to kind of explore the body and say, okay, how is it that you're not so great? What's off? What can we do? Um, so see how that one works for you when appropriate. Oh, there's a little Froggy right here by the camera. Hi, Froggy. Thank you all.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.